Hi, thank you for joining me. Today we're going to understand how to practice this Kundalini Kriya Yoga for more strength. Most of the time we use our energy for the wrong things. We are either trying to achieve things in our outer world, or we're dealing with emotions and energies in our thoughts and our inner world. But when we can access our soul, when we can use the energy, we find the strength to really do what we're meant to do here with commitment, clarity, and power. So be sure to get yourself in proper posture, which means that we want to have our knees below our hips. We want to pull the anal point in slightly, raise the diaphragm up, navel point to the spine, open the chest, allow the shoulder blades to fall on the back. Keep the chin parallel to the ground, relax the throat, relax the front body. You know, your back body is where your strength is. The universe always has our backs. The first Kriya we're going to do is we're going to bring our arms up so that our hands are beside our shoulders and our hands are in Gyan Mudra. We're going to circle and push out. Circle and pull in. We're going to have our eyes closed. We're going to gaze at the third eye, breathing naturally. Let's go. You can go at a rhythm that works for you. This is a Kriya that could be done very quickly, or you can do it in tandem with your breath, whatever feels good for you. This works on the gray matter of the brain. Be sure to have a strong foundation, a strong wool band lock. That's where we are bringing the anal muscle in a little bit, diaphragm up, and navel point to the spine. Gazing at the third eye. We're going to speed up a little bit now. And let's go even faster. And go as fast as you can. And relax down. Now we're going to raise our hands over our head. We're going to keep our elbows as straight as possible. This is a really great ab workout. So engaging your abs, and we're going to rotate the torso. We're going to rotate it clockwise. So closing the eyes, keeping the hands over the head, kind of just above the crown chakra. Breathing in and out naturally through the nose. Pushing the palms together, relaxing the throat. You don't need to move quickly. Kind of really allowing the upper part of your body to act like a pendulum and maintaining a strong foundation. And when your hands are pressed together, you're not pushing hard. They're touching and they're active. So you're not letting your hands fall down. You're keeping your hands up above your crown chakra, or the crown of your head. And you're giving yourself a little workout in your core. But you're also being aware of your heart. And this is where you can release any tension around your heart, because the idea is to allow the soul to come to the surface more. And we can start to have more of a connection and awareness of our soul, our soul's kind of wants and needs and hopes when we have a relaxed heart, when we relax the heart area or the heart chakra, and we allow that energy to flow through the back heart and the front heart equally. So being aware of allowing the energy to flow in and out through the front and back heart chakra. And relax your hands down. Take a nice inhale. Suspend the breath and squeeze the mulband lock, squeezing the anal muscle up and the diaphragm up, navel point to the spine, allowing all the energy to flow upward. And exhaling and relaxing. This is a great one for the immune system. So we want to cross our arms and hold on to our elbows. We're going to raise our arms so that they tap your forehead, and then bring your arms down so that you tap your solar plexus. You're going to be breathing naturally in and out through your nose. Close your eyes, gaze at the third eye. Let's go. Maintain that strong root lock. So you're pulling your navel point in, you're lifting your diaphragm, you're feeling that you're activating your core. Anal point engaged. We're working with our lymph nodes, with the glands in the armpits. We are working with the minor chakras in the armpits, as well as the back neck area is being activated. So we are giving ourselves the opportunity to open up the point between the base of the skull and the middle of the skull, which is where a lot of the intuitive information flows in and out for our soul from the infinite, from divine guidance. So giving ourselves this opportunity also to cleanse the heart. The activation that we're creating is also not only for our immune system through our lymph nodes, but also for the ability to clear the way for the heart to truly be connected to spirit, so that we understand what direction we need to go in our lives, and we're not wasting our energy and losing our strength in the process in the wrong direction. We want to head in the right direction. Let's speed up the movement. Go as fast as you can now. And relax down. Nice inhale and exhale, and apply the lock. Squeezing the mulband lock, squeezing the energy up through all of the chakras, visualizing that energy moving up through your spine, into your heart, through your throat chakra, and third eye, crown. And relax. Okay, now this is our final Kriya. So you're going to extend your arms out to your side. Again, remember to apply that mulband lock. Squeeze. You don't have to apply it too hard, but just, I always like to apply about 25%. You're going to keep your hands in Gyan Mudra. So fingers extended. And we're just going to stay here and we're going to meditate. We're going to close our eyes, gaze at the third eye, breathing in and out through the nose. You're relaxing your shoulder blades down, but you're strong. You have the capability of maintaining this posture through the power of your heart, the heart chakra. So it's really a Kriya that shouldn't take much effort. Focus on your breath. Your breath should be slowing right down. And when you apply your inhale, you want to maintain and suspend the breath a little bit longer. And then exhale and do the same on the exhale. So you're really slowing the breath right down. Now we're going to bring our hands together, keeping the same mudra. We're going to bring our pinky fingers together and we're going to hold our hands right in front of our faces. And we're going to meditate here. So your hands are probably about an inch away from your face. You can feel the heat of your hands. Same thing, slow the breath right down. Don't forget about that root lock. You are applying the root lock. As you maintain this posture, give yourself the opportunity to feel the joy that's poking through from your soul. It's that joy, that's the joy of the child, the joy of the excitement of being alive. Allow that to come through. Relax your shoulders down. As you're relaxing your shoulders down, your spine is extending. The crown of the head is extending to the sky. Good. And relax your hands down. Take a deep inhale. Suspend. And exhale. And open your eyes. And that's it. And I hope that you feel more strength from this set. And if you enjoyed today, please share with a family or friend. I feel more strength. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so and leave a comment below. And I'll see you next week. Bye for now.